What if the next time you went to a hospital, your doctor was a robot?
No heartbeat.
No white coat, just cold code calculating your fate. Well, in the UK, that's not just science fiction. That's happening, right now. AI is diagnosing eye disease. Syringe machines are recommending treatments. And sometimes, they're doing it better than humans. But here's the question. Is this genius or dangerously? In 2019, Moorfields Eye Hospital in London made headlines. They trained an AI system to scan thousands of eye scans, and it started diagnosing retinal disease with 94% accuracy. That's better than some specialists. And it's not just the eyes. AI is helping detect cancer, stroke risk, even predict mental health episodes. Welcome to Healthcare 2.0. But let's slow down, because this isn't just tech magic. It's legal territory we've never walked before. In the UK, the law still says a human must be accountable for treatment. But what happens when the AI makes the decision and gets it wrong? Can you sue an algorithm? Can a machine commit malpractice? Turns out these questions are still unanswered. Hospitals using AI are creating new legal gray zones every single day. So yes, it's legal, but is it ethical? Or are we trusting machines too fast? Meet Sarah. She went to a clinic using AI diagnostics. Within seconds, the machine flagged a rare lung condition. Her doctor? Shocked. Her life? Saved. But then there's Michael, whose cancer was missed because the AI model didn't flag it. And now, his family is stuck between suing the hospital or the software. Welcome to the robot revolution with real human conceit. So here's the twist. In the UK, AI isn't replacing doctors yet, but it's slowly becoming their second brain, their silent advisor. Some say that's genius. Others say it's a slippery slope to machine-controlled medicine. And the law? Still catching up. So we'll ask you, would you trust a robot with your health? Because in the UK, that question isn't weird. It's weirdly legal.